This is my ranch trail run with Trigger at the open show for the Extreme Mustang Makeover show. And overall, I think I had a pretty good run. I really like going over the poles right here. Trigger was really nice there. And we're walking up to the gate. He tried to rush the gate a little bit towards the end, and we had a little bit of a bobble there. Overall, I think this is probably one of the best trail classes I've ever had on Trigger, even though we did have a couple of bobbles. He waits on me right here pretty nice. Working the gate just like I've talked about in the videos that I've done of him working the gate. And he struggled a little bit with the pole on the ground under the gate. Kind of rushed right there. I probably would have scored better if I would have not pushed the gate too those last couple of inches. Right there, it picks up the wrong lead. That was a pretty big bobble there, and we're down to a trot and trot and serpentine these cones. I really liked how he did that. And now we're going to go over the bridge. He looks at the bridge. I feed him out a little bit of slack on the rein so he can put his head down. Looks at it and goes right across. I really like that. That looked good. Now we pick up the wrong lead again. So that's two pretty major bobbles there. Go into the box, do a 180 turn in the box, and then back over the pole, which is pretty unusual. Pretty unusual for him to ask for that. But that's what we did. And we had a bobble right here stepping over the pole. And then we turned back around 180 degrees. And that was our ranch trail run. Overall, I was pretty pleased with him. We was 10th place out of 32. So overall, I was happy with that, even with our couple of bobbles. After I showed, Sam and I went and had a little bit different kind of fun. We saw this right down the road from the horse arena. So we took a break from riding horses and went and did this ropes obstacle course. There's Sam at the pole. I'm walking across that. I think that's a toe strap walking across, and had a really good time. Uh, what energy I had left after showing Trigger, I was wore out going to this place, but we had a lot of fun, and we really enjoyed being here in Franklin, Tennessee. Been really impressed with how nice everyone has been. Every place we've been at this place and the restaurants and every place we've been really impressed with the hospitality and the nice people, and looking forward to coming back here again later.